So, hey, welcome to What's Poppin'. Oh, let me change my shirt. That's what's poppin'. Hey, welcome to What's Poppin'.
Travis is popping on another shirt real quick. And then we're gonna be popping some popcorn in different oils. Butter, Crisco pure vegetable.
And olive oil, let me get that out.
Can we get a cabinet breakdown? No? Okay.
Here, let me
We'll do that on the next video.
let me clean this up.
Oh.
I know, I got.
Dude, it totally shows too.
I was like frying bacon. Does that look better?
No, it all looks all streaky now. It looked better before you touched it.
No, this is getting cut out. You can't show some greasy stove popping popcorn.
You did already though. Oh, actually that looks really good.
Yeah, just cut it out.
That looks nice.
Yeah, it looks so much better, huh?
Yeah.
We'll leave it in. Shit, fuck. Hey, there's a tip for you. If you're gonna have a popcorn show, don't show a greasy fucking stovetop. Okay, oil for popping.
I highly recommend popping your own popcorn at home if you haven't done it. It's a fun experience.
That's true. Like being stuck at home with the COVID-19 stuff. Been just experimenting with like a cheap thing of popcorn, seeing if it's any better than like the bag stuff, or like if it's anything like what I remember when I was a kid.
For sure.
Yeah, because my parents had popped their own corn, man.
Mine too, and I still do it for my kids from time to time when they go, I like the other stuff better.
It's a special treat. I don't think it really matters how soon you put it in. So I'm gonna do the 3 tablespoons here. So first one we're doing is olive oil for extra virgin. Like Jared.
Jared P. Broker.
You're watching.
AKA?
AKA the Peach Eagle.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking.
Yeah, that's how I mess with Jared when he gets on the T-pad. Have you heard me do that?
Yeah.
I go, Jared,
I haven't heard you.
Eagle.
I actually haven't heard you not do it one time on
true.
every T-pad.
Well, I want to make sure you're hearing it. Because now I'm fucking with everybody with it.
I don't want it. I don't want it. Don't put that on me, Ricky Bobby.
Okay, I kind of burnt my arm hair right there, but that's a tip. Don't throw a whole lot of it out.
So are you, besides coating the floor, are you trying to coat the corn? You're trying to coat the corn in oil? Is that what you're doing?
That's what I'm doing. So I'm like evening it out, and then I'm getting my lid. I'm trying to put the popcorn cap on top of the oil. Oh no, this is... So I did the vegetable oil first.
Oh, okay. It's been 7 minutes. And these son of a bitches
Maybe it's a worth the wait kind of situation.
are really being stingy right now.
Oh!
Hey! Yeah.
They don't like that
They
shit.
know. They're like, yeah, exactly, because they know. Popcorn knows, dude.
That's the other tip. Talk shit to your kernels.
If you talk shit to your kernels, it's like playing music for plants. They'd love it. These are
So,
getting all right.
so we're getting some action here. So I'm just gonna kind of move things around because you don't want to burn the kernels that have like already popped. You know, that's kind of the key. You want everything to pop fast so that nothing burns while it's still cooking. Smells good.
Do some hip circles before you start popping popcorn, guys. You gotta get warmed
You'll
up.
throw your fucking back out doing this shit.
Be careful. Stretch.
I'm turning the heat up.
Oh shit. Turn the heat up!
You can only be so patient, you know?
We can add a bunch of graphics right there.
Yeah.
Turn the heat
my
up.
face just turns red, like steam comes out of my ears.
Popcorn shoots out of your ears. Yeah.
This is like what a normal person would eat right here. This
Oh,
is,
not a monster?
Yeah, not me.
Oh, I was referring to myself.
Me too, yeah.
Right out of the pot?
Yeah, right?
Oh, we're gonna see the pour, baby. Oh, listen to that. Listen to that.
Nice and light.
It sounds like insects crawling all over your body.
I don't know. Oh, now I'm fucking. Running out of room here.
Dude, that's perfect.
But hey, that's...
Stove kernels, those are the best. Just don't touch a hot.
I almost did.
Whatever these are
I'm glad
called.
you said that.
I gotta get
This time we're doing 1 tablespoon of butter instead of 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, just to see what the difference is. I'm kind of spreading it around with the knife just because.
Please don't
Just
scratch
cause.
my pot.
It's actually my pot for the record.
That's true. That's true. If this is on
So
record,
in case he leaves with the pot.
if this is on record,
That's my pot. That's actually my pot.
Speaking of pot, it seems hotter than the oil.
Yeah,
so
it does something.
I gotta coat this out real quick, and it's definitely hotter. It smells good though.
Yeah, it does. Cool burp. I did one right before you.
Taco Bell burp.
Yeah. Tell them about the fried burrito.
Yeah, do not eat a bean burrito without frying it in butter first.
Are you talking about pan frying it in butter?
It's for the safety and
Of
health
everybody.
of our country.
Yeah. You're not a patriot if you don't. Pan fry that American Mexican food.
Here, why don't you come get a close up of like what the kernels are doing in this butter? So it's like a frothier mix.
Oh yeah, it is.
Ever tell you about the bowl hole challenge we used to have in disc golf?
No, what's that?
It's like what it sounds like.
It sounds cool. Is it?
It's way cool, dude. You have a bowl, a hole, and it's
Cereal?
popcorn.
Did I get it wrong?
Oh, I got early poppers here.
Oh shucks.
Fuck! Dude, look at the little kernels. They're like,
Yo!
don't do that. They're like brown.
Dangerous.
Alright,
Hey,
geez.
we should pop this with a face mask on and no lid. That'd be fun.
Fucking, okay.
Let's eat one of these.
Let's go get our safety
I
glasses.
flew out.
Gotta keep butter moving, dude.
Keep butter moving. That sounds like a t-shirt. Keep butter moving.
Available on our website.
Check it out, guys. Get some merch on the website.
You gotta keep butter moving.
Smash that like button. Smoosh it.
Destroy it. Destroy it like Nick destroys your mom. Alright, I think we're done.
Heat off. Lid off, heat off. Probably should go in a different order.
Oh!
Shots fired. Shots fired. It definitely looks like the butter burned.
Yeah.
Looking in this bowl, there's a little bit. Let me see what it looks like over here. But if you can see, it is darker. And then compared to this one, which is nice and bright, and that was the Crisco. So here's the butter, and it looks like it got dropped in the dirt, if I'm being honest. Yeah, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go ahead and have a little more of this one
Right.
on the other side of the tongue. And that just tastes like plain popcorn,
What?
not burnt.
Yeah, there you go.
So
Alright, here we go. Extra virgin.
extra virgin.
Going in the pan.
Trader Joe's brand.
Trader Joe's brand. 3 tablespoons popcorn. Using the same tablespoon because who we kidding? You're not gonna use a different one.
Unless you're an idiot.
Alright. Just leave, and you always leave one kernel left in the tablespoon. 'Cause you can't
Save
fucking
one for
get
the
it.
gods, you guys. Save one
That's
for
right.
the gods.
Alright, we're starting to get some pops. So get in on this. Take a quick look.
Oh, get all up in on this.
Get in.
Oh!
Oh God!
I love when it does that.
It is hot.
Pan is my shorts.
You know how much I want that flame kernel right there? Yow!
Not enough.
Damn it!
Not enough.
I just burnt all my knuckle hair.
Well, maybe if you had some, maybe if you had some skills.
Right.
All right, is it heat off?
Oof.
Heat off, lid off, Travis. Come on, you broke rule number 14.
You made 14 rules already? Whoa!
Yeah. Wait.
Oh!
List
We're
of-
not done yet. Oh!
Scroll list of rules right here, please. Scroll list of rules right here.
Oh!
Jeez Louise, heat's off, huh? Interesting. All right, let's try this. Look at these babies. This is definitely the. Well, I have to get it side by side.
Definitely. Wait a minute. Oh!
I don't want to. I got the neck for each other. Move it over here. I know this is the third one, but I got to get the two guys that are competing together. Gosh darn it.
Butter's just out, dude.
I don't want to say it. Butter, yeah. Butter, get it out of the picture. Hold on. You see butter? Get out of here.
Get out of here. That's
Not good. I love you for everything else, though.
probably a better topper.
I think, I mean, if I had to pick, and it would be like maybe a 10% margin, I would pick the fucking Crisco. I don't want to pick it. I would pick the olive oil because fuck Crisco. That's the only reason. Because
Crisco?
Because it's just the most unhealthy.
The Donald Trump of oil.
It is very Donald Trumpy, dude. Dude, you wish you could fucking have the discipline for cleaning like this motherfucker, dude. You wish you could do this. Look at this guy. He doesn't give a shit that you're trying to go do something else. He's still cleaning because you know why? Because clean up first. That's why, you fucking lazy bitch. Clean your shit up. Get it done. I'm talking to myself right now. Get it done. And then go enjoy your life.
No fun until you're done.
Thank you. There's a t-shirt.